My name is Nombuso Ntshingila. I'm here to present about the ideology of MM. The modern world is bad. It is humane, unfair and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for the people. It's for those who produce money, for bankers and financiers. And ordinary people just serve them as attendants. They sweep their places. What lies behind the social welfare? Labor. But why does the banker live in 1,000 times better than the worker and the peasant? Why does the wildcatter live better? All of them. Do they work harder? It's nonsense. It is ridiculous to say they don't even produce anything. No material values. But why? Do you know? Moreover, perhaps you wonder, with all sincerity now, well, banker and worker, simple worker like me or my neighbor, it cannot be compared. Banker is a bank. Money relations and contracts, but who are we together with, my neighbor? Nobody. Naturally, the banker lives better than we do, but there is nothing natural here. The point is that everyone got used to this state of affairs and they took it for granted. As a matter of course, a banker has to live better and it cannot be otherwise. But it may be otherwise. So why does banker work less but live better? Better than worker or miner, however? Intuitively, you've got the answer by yourself. Because the banker is the bank. Money. Exactly. Money is the whole point. The cornerstone, and about them, about the money, we should talk more in detail. So what is money? Have you ever thought about it? The calculation tool, the measure of labor, as we are told from childhood, almost the cradle. We have to work hard, work. The money won't fall from the sky. They should be honest and hardly earned, etc., etc. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Familiar? Says it by the way. Yes, we have to work, but what should we expect in the end? A small pension and half-starved old age? Poverty? You have spent all your life working on some oligarchs. You have been taken away all your power, energy, health. You have been squeezed like a lemon. And after that, you've been just thrown into the dustbin as it's a fulfilled material. Is it necessary? But this is the reality, horrific reality of the modern society. This is what we should expect in the end, almost certainly. Everything ends up in this way for the vast majority of people in today's world, as it ends up for the mothers and the fathers, their turn for their children and grandchildren, and so on and so on. The way the world, why all of this is wrong, unfair. It must not exist. Why do some people have everything, but others have nothing? But why do some people walk in golden slippers, but others barely make ends meet? They do not know how to feed their children, although all of them work honestly. Why does it happen? After all, we are all the people, the brothers. We are equal, aren't we? Then why? So I would like to explain a little bit about MM. What is MMM? Well, MMM is a global mutual aid society, worldwide people's bank, financial social network, if you can like to call it that. The point is that we are a voluntary informal network of millions of people across the earth, people who rose up against the financial slavery, people who have decided to declare war on the Fed and other banks to win this war. In order to achieve this goal, we need to combine our money together. And it does not matter that separately their savings are not big, but there are a lot of people in MM, millions, and in tremendous force, invincible force, and this force is growing with each passing day. With MM, all you do, you agree that you're gonna be giving a helping hand to a person, and in turn you will be making 30% every month. So that will make everyone happy. If you have some money to spare, you need to help one of the community members so that everyone is having a fair share in the financial section or sector. Thank you.